Welcome back. We know how to calculate values, but calculations are useless if we don't save the results. Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. Beyond the basic equals sign, Python offers compound operators to perform an operation and assignment in one step. 1. The basic assignment. The single equals sign is the fundamental assignment operator. It takes the value on the right and stores it in the variable on the left. 2. Compound assignment operators. Python allows you to combine an arithmetic operation with assignment. For example, plus equals adds a value to the variable and updates the variable with the new result. This shorthand works for all arithmetic operators: subtraction, multiplication, division, and even modulus. To summarize, compound assignment operators make your code cleaner and easier to read. Instead of writing x equals x plus 1, you can simply write x plus equals 1. Now that we can change values, we need to know how to compare them. Join me in Lecture 0603, Comparison Operators.